A share value equivalent to $4.4000 a coin. The present range, $4.3396. $4.4500. The earlier day close, $4.4000. The change was 0.0000%. Or so they thought. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Axies. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for September 2023, in an unpretentious manner. Initially cost at $4.67. Most extreme cost $5.16. Least cost $3.79 in an unpretentious way. The normal for the month $4.43 in an unobtrusive manner. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.08. Change for September 12.6%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at $4.08. Greatest cost $5. Least cost $3.52. The fundamentally normal for the month $4.10. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.78. Change for October 7.4%. A share cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $3.78. Greatest cost $3.78. Really least cost $2.96. The normal for the month $3.43. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.18. Change for November 15.9%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset cost at $3.18. Most extreme cost $3.43. Least cost $2.99. The in every practical sense, normal for the month $3.20. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.21. Change for December 0.9% in a significant way. A share cost expectation for January 2024, which is genuinely huge. First and foremost cost at $3.21 in an unobtrusive manner. Greatest cost $3.21. Essentially least cost $2.59 in a significant way. The normal for the month $2.95, as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.79. Change for January 13.1%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $2.79. Most extreme cost $2.79. Exceptionally least cost $2.25, which is genuinely huge. The normal for the month $2.56 amazingly. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.42. Change for February 13.3%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2024. Or so they basically thought. First and foremost cost at $2.42. Greatest cost $2.44. Least cost $2.12. The truly normal for the month $2.32. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.28. Change for spring 5.8%. Or so they thought. Greatest cost $2, for the most part least cost $1.63. The really normal for the month $1.85, which generally is very huge. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $1.75. Change for May 12.5%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $1.75, which is genuinely huge. Most extreme cost $2.17. Least cost $1.75, which truly is very critical. The normal for the month $1.93, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.03. Change for June 16.0%. Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at $2.03. Greatest cost $2.03. Least cost $1.63. The normal for the month $1.86. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.75. change for July 13.8%, which is genuinely critical. Access to United States dollars expectations for August 2024, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. First and foremost, cost at $1.75, greatest cost $1.75. Least cost $1.37 in a for the most part large manner. The normal for the month $1.59 in a significant manner. A share cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else, cost at $2.61. Most extreme cost $2.61. Least cost $2.04. The in every practical sense normal for the month $2.36, which especially is very critical. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.19. Change for November 16.1%. Access to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. To start with, cost at $2.19. Greatest cost $2.19 in every practical sense. Least cost $1.86 in a truly significant way. The normal for the month $2.06, or so they thought. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2. Change for December 8.7%. A share cost expectation for January 2026, or so they in every way that really matters thought. At the outset, cost at $2.00. Most extreme cost $2.48. Least cost $2. The normal for the month $2.20. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.32. Change for January 16.0%. Access to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Before all else, cost at $2.32. Most extreme cost $2.35. Least cost $2.05. The really normal for the month $2.23. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.20. Change for February 5.2% in an unpretentious manner. A share cost expectation for WOC 2026 in a significant manner. In the first place, cost at $2.20. Greatest cost $2.20. Least cost $1.72, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The normal for the month $1.99, which is very critical. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.85. Change for spring 15.9%.